How I use AI tools for UI UX design in 2025, my real examples and tips. Hey everyone! So today, I'm going to walk you through how I actually use AI tools to design faster, smarter, and honestly, a lot more creatively. This isn't just theory, this is literally what I do on a day-to-day basis as a UI UX designer. Let's break it down. Tip 1. Start with a prompt. The very first thing I do, I come to ChatGPT. Why? Because sometimes, when I need to design something like, say, a travel app, I want ideas that are structured and clear, not just floating in my head. In seconds, I've got a full feature list, layout ideas, and sometimes even content ideas. ChatGPT just takes that mental mess and organizes it beautifully. Tip or step 2. Now here's where the magic really hits. I copy that prompt and use it into UX Pilot or maybe in Google Stitch, or it could be any new AI design tool. Hit generate and watch as the entire layout comes alive. Buttons, cards, menus, everything instantly created and ready for tweaking. It saves so much time. I'm not staring at a blank screen anymore. I'm editing something that's already 70% there. You can also try some more stuffs as needed, like breaking that one-page design into a smooth, multi-step mobile flow, like onboarding and booking screens. Just click on UX Pilot, Auto Flow, it breaks it down perfectly for you. Tip 3. Once you love the AI layout, export everything straight to Figma. The plugin makes it seamless. Here's where you take full control. Tweak colors, fonts, spacing, whatever your heart desires. Don't like the background? Change it. This is where the AI ends and your designer brain takes over. You're not stuck, you're free. Tip 4. Sometimes, I go the other way. I'll take a desktop or web app layout and feed that into Google Stitch. It's wild. I give it a screenshot or wireframe, and I say, convert this into a mobile app design. And within seconds, like magic, it shows me the mobile view of the same design. No resizing, no starting from scratch. Tip 5. Now here's the best part. If I'm still not happy with anything, maybe the UX isn't smooth, or the layout feels off, I just loop back to ChatGPT. I'll literally ask, can you suggest better UX for this flow? Or what's wrong with this checkout process from a heuristic point of view? And boom, ChatGPT gives me proper usability advice, real UX critique, and even examples to fix it. This is the moment when it's not just a I helping, it's a I collaborating. I use those tips to improve the design. Honestly, this combo of tools, ChatGPT, UX Pilot, Stitch, Figma, or could be any other AI design tool, it's like having a creative team in your pocket. It's fast, it's fun, and best of all, it lets me focus more on ideas, strategies, business, and user needs, and less on the grunt work. So if you're a designer looking to upgrade with AI, try using these tools. Don't just design, co-create with AI. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching. Hit follow on Varun Design Hub for more real UX tips, smart workflows, and honest design talk.